This dog is really loving this wheat field.
Give me more, give me more.
This guy pranks all of the iPhone users on the plane.
Kindly make sure that your head baggage is stowed safely and nothing off the aisle when the emergency exit. Please switch off your laptop and place it in your hand baggage. You're welcome to use lighter devices. This is the
Did you know that bees won't fly in the dark?
Gonna give him a kiss.
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 Mm.
That's what you turd.
My sweet turd bird.
Who's my precious jabby bird?
Who's my precious jabby bird?
Who's my precious jabby bird?
Who's my sweet jabby angel?
Who's my precious?
Who's my sweet jabby angel?
I'm not sure what type of bird this is, but it's impressive. If you know, then please educate us in the comments. This artist can paint via puppet. Check out these lampreys on this whale shark. Thanks for watching. I'm out.